Cleaning with a pressure washer might sound effective, but most of the time, it leaves these unsightly streaks. Not to mention, it can damage the surface, which allows algae, mold, and mildew to grow back even faster. So let's take a look at the easier, faster, and most importantly, safer way to clean your concrete without a pressure washer by using 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. For best results, apply on a cool or overcast day. To begin, mix 30 seconds outdoor cleaner in your favorite sprayer with equal parts water. Next, be sure to thoroughly saturate the area. Concrete is a very porous surface, so heavy saturation is key. You should see cleaner pooling on the surface. If the surface looks dry or barely damp after a few minutes, then you don't have enough cleaner and should apply another layer. After the cleaner sits for 15 minutes, you may need to lightly brush the surface or even spray on a bit more cleaner for heavily stained areas. Once the desired results are achieved, simply rinse the surface with a garden hose. And since 30 seconds breaks down readily in the soil, you're safe to rinse directly into your surrounding lawn and landscaping. 30 seconds is safe to use on a variety of outdoor surfaces, including natural or composite wood, vinyl, metal, and even canvas awnings. With 30 seconds, it's clean when you want it clean.